The Bugatti Veyron isn't just a car. It's an icon of speed, luxury, and human ambition. When it was first introduced in 2005, it completely shocked the automotive world. With a top speed of over 250 miles per hour, a jaw-dropping 1,001 horsepower, and a price tag that only the world's wealthiest could afford, the Veyron became a symbol of ultimate performance. But beneath its polished exterior lies a collection of unbelievable stories, bizarre engineering challenges, and facts so strange they almost sound made up. From tires that cost more than a family car to secret battles for the title of world's fastest car, the Veyron's journey is as wild as its speed. So buckle up, because we're diving into 15 weird facts about the Bugatti Veyron that will change the way you see this legendary hypercar forever. Fact 1. Tires that cost more than a car. The Bugatti Veyron's tires aren't like anything you'll find on a normal car. Michelin designed them specifically to handle speeds of 253 mph, which meant inventing new materials and manufacturing techniques. Each set costs an eye-watering $42,000, and they can't be replaced at just any tire shop. Owners must send their Veyron to a certified Bugatti service center, where the tires are installed with precise alignment and calibration. Even crazier, the special wheels themselves wear out after 3 tire changes, meaning a full replacement of tires and wheels can run over $100,000. That's more than the cost of a brand new Porsche. High-speed runs wear them down shockingly fast, which means just a few top-speed attempts can lead to another 5-figure bill. Fact 2. It drinks fuel like a rocket. The Veyron's 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine is a marvel of engineering. But it's also unbelievably thirsty. At top speed, it burns through its massive 26-gallon fuel tank in just 12 minutes. Even under normal driving conditions, the Veyron manages a miserable 8 miles per gallon in the city and about 15 on the highway. This is because the engine gulps air at a rate of 47,000 liters per minute, the same amount a human breathes in 4 days. Bugatti engineers once joked that at full throttle, the car is basically a jet engine with wheels. That's why refueling after every run isn't just recommended, it's absolutely necessary. Fact 3. An oil change costs as much as a luxury vacation. Routine maintenance on a Veyron is no simple task. A basic oil change costs around $21,000, making it one of the most expensive in the automotive world. Why so high? The process involves removing huge sections of the car's bodywork just to access the 16 drain plugs hidden within the engine. It can take multiple technicians several days to complete the job correctly. The meticulous process ensures that no mistakes are made, because even a small error could cause catastrophic damage to the engine at high speeds. For Veyron owners, maintenance isn't just a chore, it's a full-blown financial commitment. Fact 4. A nearly impossible dream. When Volkswagen Group revived the Bugatti brand in the late 1990s, they set an almost impossible goal: build a road car with 1,000 horsepower, a top speed of over 250 miles per hour, and the luxury of a Rolls-Royce. Many engineers initially believed it couldn't be done. Early prototypes were plagued with overheating, aerodynamic failures, and even engines exploding during tests. For years, engineers worked around the clock to solve one problem, only to uncover 3 more. When the first production-ready Veyron finally rolled off the line, it represented a triumph of determination, proving that what seemed like science fiction could become reality. Fact 5. It has 10 radiators like a small building to keep its colossal W16 engine from overheating. The Veyron uses 10 radiators, a number more common in industrial machinery than sports cars. Each radiator has a dedicated job. Some cool the engine, others handle the turbochargers, transmission, or even the air conditioning system. At top speed, the car generates so much heat that without this intricate cooling network, the engine would literally melt itself. The cooling system is one of the main reasons why the Veyron weighs over 4,000 pounds, despite its lightweight carbon fiber structure. Fact 6. A key unlocks its true power. The Veyron has a secret weapon, a special top-speed key. To unleash the car's full 253 miles per hour potential, drivers must insert this unique key into a slot beside the seat. Once activated, the car lowers itself closer to the ground, adjusts its aerodynamic settings, and locks certain safety systems to prevent instability. Without this key, the Veyron is electronically limited to around 220 miles per hour, which is still faster than nearly every other supercar on the planet. This added step isn't just for drama. It's a critical safety measure for such extreme speeds. Fact 7. Bugatti lost money on every sale despite its multi-million-dollar price tag. The Veyron was a financial loss for Bugatti's parent company, Volkswagen. Each car reportedly cost over $1.7 million to produce, while early models sold for about $1.4 million. Volkswagen didn't care about profits. They wanted to build the ultimate showcase of engineering excellence. The Veyron was essentially a marketing project designed to prove that Volkswagen's technology was unmatched. While it wasn't profitable, it gave the brand unmatched prestige and laid the groundwork for future hypercars like the Bugatti Chiron. Fact 8. The first to break 1,000 horsepower before the Veyron. No production car had ever officially crossed the 1,000 horsepower mark. This feat was once considered impossible for a road car because of the challenges in cooling, traction, and durability. The Veyron's quad-turbo W16 engine shattered this barrier, shocking the entire industry. When Bugatti announced the power figures, critics thought it was a publicity stunt, until journalists drove the car and experienced its brutal acceleration firsthand. This single achievement permanently changed what manufacturers thought was possible in a road-legal car. Fact 9. Tires and fuel don't last long at top speed. The Veyron's tires will wear out completely in just 15 minutes due to the intense heat and friction. However, you won't even reach that point. The entire fuel tank will empty in 12 minutes if you keep your foot planted. This means the car literally can't sustain its maximum performance for very long. It's a reminder that the Veyron's power is so extreme, it pushes the limits of materials and physics itself. Bugatti's engineers had to walk a razor-thin line between performance and practicality. Fact 10. Jay Leno's garage scares celebrity car collector. Jay Leno once revealed a frightening incident involving his Bugatti Veyron. After a spirited drive, he parked the car in his garage without giving the engine time to cool down. The quad turbochargers generate so much heat that shutting down too quickly can cause dangerous overheating. Leno's garage filled with smoke, and he narrowly avoided a serious fire. Since then, he's always let his Veyron idle and cool off before shutting it down, just like a professional race car. Fact 11. Fighter jet aerodynamics. The Veyron's stability at high speeds comes from its active aerodynamic system, which functions like a fighter jet's wings. At moderate speeds, the massive rear spoiler rises to create downforce, keeping the car firmly planted on the road. At top speed, it flattens to reduce drag and achieve maximum velocity. When braking hard from extreme speeds, the wing tilts forward to act as an air brake, slowing the car dramatically. This technology was revolutionary at the time and remains one of the reasons the Veyron is so safe at speeds that would terrify most drivers. Fact 12. The secret speed record rivalry. In 2010, a small American company, SSC, temporarily stole Bugatti's crown with their Ultimate Aero, claiming the world's fastest production car. Bugatti responded with the Veyron Super Sport, pushing its top speed to an official 267.8 miles per hour. The battle between the two companies became a heated rivalry, with both sides pushing the limits of technology. This secret competition fueled global excitement and cemented Bugatti's reputation as the king of speed. Fact 13. Customization that breaks the bank for wealthy clients. Buying a Bugatti isn't just about speed, it's about personal expression. Owners can customize every detail, from paint colors to unique leather stitching. Some have spent hundreds of thousands of dollars just on personalization, turning their Veyron into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. One client even ordered diamond-encrusted control knobs, proving that there's no limit to how far luxury can go. Each car truly reflects the personality and status of its owner. Fact 14. A police car worth millions in Dubai. The police force owns a Bugatti Veyron as part of their luxury patrol fleet. While it's not used for high-speed chases, it serves as a powerful marketing tool to promote tourism and showcase the city's wealth. Tourists are often shocked to see a Veyron with flashing lights cruising through popular areas. This unusual police car has become a symbol of Dubai's extravagant lifestyle and global appeal. Fact 15. The Veyron paved the way for the Chiron. The Veyron didn't just break records. It redefined what was possible for hypercars. Its successes and failures gave Bugatti invaluable experience that directly influenced the design of its successor, the Bugatti Chiron. The Chiron improved upon the Veyron's technology, pushing speed and luxury even further. Without the Veyron's groundbreaking innovations, today's hypercar market might look completely different. The Bugatti Veyron is more than just a car. It's a story of ambition, innovation, and pure madness. From its jaw-dropping speed to its unbelievable engineering quirks, the Veyron changed automotive history forever.